All right, so here we are at day 2 of construction, and it looks like they've already done a little preliminary cleanup here, so this is at least, covered up a little bit nicer than it was yesterday. The wires are not all falling out of the ceiling. I guess they just shoved everything back up in there to make life easier for working for the time being. There's a little table-looking thing over there. Looks like they like their Pepsi. The light's on back here. Psst. Hello, welcome. So it looks like we have 2 little step ladders, 1 big ladder. All right, making progress day by day, making progress. Turned off the lights since I just opened the Con Edison account now, so now I'm paying for the electricity. Not being a jackass with that, but save energy. But I'm happy. So day by day, just gets a little better. And I'm hoping at the end of the month, we'll have something usable. Oh look, looks like I've got some mail here. I should collect my mail. So I got my insurance for the place since I need to have a certain liability policy. I got fan mail from my favorite peeps. New company. And look, this is probably my first piece of junk mail so far. My first piece of junk mail. I gotta take this stuff back with me. And yeah, it's coming along. Coming along. Alright, I will see you all in the next video.